This is room 911 at the Renaissance Barcelona Hotel in downtown Barcelona. Toilet, a phone in case you want to order a pizza while you're in the toilet. Okay, this is weird. I'm making the bed as one does when they move into a hotel. They'll always just remake the bed. The bed went up in the air, look. Like it went off the ground. How do I get it back down? Guess I'll figure it out. This is room 911 at the Renaissance Barcelona Hotel in downtown Barcelona. Basically in the core of the tourist area, just north of it actually. I believe this is a superior urban room. When you come in, you have to put the card in to make the air conditioning lights work. Master switch right there for the hallway. Bathroom to the right, we'll get to that in a sec. On the way in, you have a thermostat, once again. Sometimes you can look up these on the internet if you want them to go colder or warmer. You can override the system. You can look it up on YouTube. A couple of lights here. Turning off the lights in the hall and the ambient lighting over in the room. Coming to the room, it's not a super large room, not for a king-size bed, a chair, and a small desk. Nice ambient lighting. It's very, very clean. And the space is laid out well for the size of the room. Over here between the two closets, we have a mirror, a couple of power solutions, European power solutions, 2 glasses, a bottle of water included. Down below you have a little mini bar. I'm sorry about that. Down below you have a little mini bar, or a mini fridge, sorry. And then inside is a couple of sodas or pops. They are included and they're refreshed daily. Drinks are on us, it says right there. Non-alcoholic though. Behind each mirror there's a closet, an ironing board, iron, what do you call those things to put your bags on? A couple of rows, and the robes feel actually really plush. Number of hangers, and the closets do have a light in them, which is useful. And the one on the right, you could use a few more hangers there, a shelf up above with a light, and a kettle, and looks like instant coffee. Ice bucket in a safe, and a few drawers on the bottom here. Nope. All right. No coffee maker, so it's instant only. Hotel does have a buffet breakfast. It's available for 15 euros each when you check in. I believe it is more if you do it like a la carte, if you come in and just want to use the buffet. He said it would be more expensive, so 15 euros doesn't sound too bad. And then beside the bed here we have, looks like a USB-C and a USB-A, a couple controls for the lights, a little reading light, light up at the table here, and a little clock with 2 more USBs, so it looks like USB-As. Ambient lighting behind the bed, nice size, king-size bed, very firm. On the other side of the bed, you have the phone. And there's no USBs in beside it, but there is a standard USB and the USB-C on the wall on this side of the bed also. That's very handy, it's good. And one power solution down below, European socket. And you got the chair in the room here, floor space, little desk with another phone. Again, no power solution there, but right there is power solution. USBs are right there, along with the European plug. Nice desk with a little drawer. Is that a little drawer? Yeah, little drawer. Crackers. mirror and artwork on the wall beside the TV. Very cute. And our view today is the rooftops of Barcelona. Kind of a cool view. And I believe one floor down there is a rooftop bar. Okay, so let's check out this bathroom here. Very cute marble style bathroom. A couple of cups, mouthwash. Looks like we got dental kit, shower cap, and hygienic set. Not sure what that is. Mirror, is this a light? Let's see here. Yeah, there's a light behind the mirror. I think that's just a magnifying thing. Okay, we got a sink. Open space down below with a few slippers. Toilet, a phone in case you want to order a pizza while you're in the toilet, and a decent sized shower. Typical body wash, shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. It looks like a shower wand and a rainfall shower head on the ceiling. And towels in the shower. And that'll be it for room 911 of the Renaissance Hotel in downtown Barcelona. If you like this room tour, room 911 at the Renaissance Barcelona Hotel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with somebody you know, subscribe if you already haven't, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other. Have a good day.